Welcome back, friends and neighbors, to another episode of the Packet of the Week. We are live under the bright sunshine, and we are here with the solution to Packet of the Week number 17. Now, you may recall that this particular packet was part of a wireless homework assignment, so I can't give out everything, but hey, there's no reason why we can't spend a little bit of time with it and maybe learn something as we go. Remember that the first couple of octets there, the ones in blue, were just information about the frame. So there's not actually data at all. The beginning part of this frame is actually the 08 there. And that is, to start you off, the version of the protocol and the type and subtype for this particular frame. The next part of the frame is the continuation of the control bytes. And remember that these are all those single bit fields indicating the operation or maybe even where this particular frame came from or where it was going. Next up, we've got this mystical magical field that tells us how long we're allowed to monopolize the bandwidth. So I'll leave that up to you guys to actually decode the entirety of those control bytes. The next field that we have looks a lot like a MAC address. It's 6 bytes there, all Fs. And if I was an enterprising wireless student, I might wonder how many MAC addresses are in an 802.11 frame. And then last up, we have the field ending the header in the 802.11 frame. And that'll be the last hint that I give you for the decode of the header. Now, as you know, 802.11 frames encapsulate 802.2, and so that might be another part that we need in our decode of this particular frame. Now, there is another set of bytes that are awful familiar to us. There, that 0806. And if we could remember what that meant in an Ethernet frame, that might give us a real big leg up to decoding this particular wireless frame. It's the same value. So that'll be it for the hints that I'll give you for this guy here. So we've got the control bytes, the MAC addresses, ending of the 802.11 header, the 802.2 encapsulation, and of course that 0806 familiar pattern for us. And that'll bring us to the close of this particular Packet of the Week episode. Nick, take us out.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Packet of the Week. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to stop by brucehartpence.com for more content or look through the other videos here on our YouTube channel. Thanks again for stopping by, and may your packets always reach their destinations.